Yeah, just came up the hill from base camp. We're at base camp 10-4. Roger that. Denny's not tired, I am. There goes trees. Whew, if I hump on down 10 times a day. Got my pots. Gungo peas. I gotta get this box out the way. Put my wood fire here. Yeah. Fix my wood fire. Get one of this.
Catch the, you know, catch the black. You have to catch it fire first.
Here's my fire expert, Denny. I could have done this without Denny, by the way, just so you all know. No, we just need a nice girl, right, Denny? About 3 girls or so. Why you burning out my wood, bro? I'm not ready to cook dinner yet, bro.
You go look your one, you know, easy.
That's your wood, bro?
Yeah.
What are you gonna cook, bro? Danny uses plastic to catch the wood fire right there. Oh, we got some birds, some guests. We got tangerine trees, we got pear, grapefruit, orange, ackee. Oh, and the view. Show you, I'm gonna build a house right here. There's the view. Enjoy. Now I'm gonna take this grapefruit right here and I'm gonna go make it with that rum over there. This is the house. This string right here, that's a 30 by 30. Oh, put the grave over there. The grave right over there. Guys, this is the 3rd night in my tent. Feeling good. I got some rum, my laptop, picture of my daughter, my lights. I started my cleanse today. Jason, big up yourself. I drank the olive oil and you know, 7-day cleanse. I'm gonna cut it to 6. Got a fire out on the 7th day. But yeah, everything is good. Everything is nice. Bless up, live life, enjoy yourself. This is freedom. Alright, cool. Jamaica. Burning life away, the old days that used to be. Y'all better look somewhere else, buddy. Out to my buddy Greg. So, Greg, that's where I'm going to build a house. That's a tent. I'm camping out. We made it, buddy. We made it. We made it, buddy. We made it. Crazy World, you're the one that trained me, buddy. Sonny Rollins on the mountain. See? Now listen, buddy. Now listen. I'm going to build this place, buddy. I'm going to stay focused. I'm going to build this place, buddy. I won't let you down, buddy. I won't let you down. I'll escape the madness, buddy. This one for you, baby. Love you. That's crazy happy. Crazy happy. This is what happened. This is what happened when you're alone. You're crazy happy. Peace and tranquility. Woo! You're listening to Rondi Radio. January 8th, 2017, Jamaica, Manchester. Rondi Radio. Life can't get any better. It was just a special one. I hope you have a great Sunday evening. Oh yeah, we'll drink some wine. Oh yes. Oh, life is good. With my tent, yes. This is as good as it gets. It's the best vacation I've ever had. Under a blanket. I'm giddy with happiness. Peace, love, and joy to everyone. Darling, I know. The sun is shining. Oh, yes. Make sure you get ready for the party 2018. Welcome to Big Joe Tent Living. Living in a tent is not an easy thing. I've been living in this tent for the past 30 years. Tonight wind is not so bad. Yeah, Big Joe Tent Living, we just live and just keep living and listen to the wind. 30 years I've been living in this tent and haven't paid a rent since. It's been holding up pretty good, too. Until next time, Big Joe. Welcome to Big Joe Tent Living. We got some winds coming in tonight.